Hi, my name's Alec. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Spexi, and today I'm going to run you through what it takes to become a pilot on the network. First things first, you're going to need a drone. This is the DJI Mini 3. This is our most popular drone on the network, and it's our workhorse because it doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors, which enables it to fly longer due to more efficient battery use. So you'll need a drone, the DJI Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, or Mini 4 Pro. All of those drones will work seamlessly on the network. The next thing you'll need is a device to connect to your controller. This is important. We don't connect to the controllers that have the built-in screen. We only connect to the controllers that you have to bring your own device, BYOD. The device you have is also important. It must be an Android. We don't currently work with iOS devices, simply because the drone and the drone hardware does not connect to iOS. So Android only, but not to worry, if you have an iOS, you can of course hotspot your cellular to Android. That's what I do, and it works quite well because then I have a fly phone available and my other phone available too. Once you have the right drone and the right device, it's time to start thinking about the application. You can download the Spexi mobile application on the Google Play Store. If you have the DJI Mini 2, make sure that you download the Mini 2 app. If you have the DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, or Mini 4 Pro, download the Mini 3 or 4 app. Pretty straightforward. Once you have the correct app, it's going to ask you to walk through some onboarding steps. Pretty simple. We need your email, we need your name, we need your bank account information at this phase of the network because we need to pay you. Make sure you follow all those steps, fill out everything you need to fill out because it's really important that we can of course pay you for the work that you do.